A hand grenade was found at the gate of GP Women's College, which is located less than 100 meters from the Raj Bhavan in Imphal today. According to police, the grenade was found along with a note that demanded authorities to honor the rights of proletarian students' free education movement. The grenade was noticed by passers-by at around 6 a.m., after which a police team and a bomb disposal squad rushed to the spot. It was then defused and disposed of at the Lumphil Game Village area in Imphal West by around 7:20 a.m. Police have registered a case and are investigating the matter. The motive behind the threat and those responsible for it are yet to be ascertained. Speaking in this regard, a police officer informed that as per CCTV footage, an identified individual left the bomb at the college gate. The police officer also maintained that more CCTV footages will be collected from various locations in order to nab the culprit. Meanwhile, students of GP Women's College took out protests in front of college gate today, condemning the incident.
Hoi college ki mamang dang si tawrami ba thodok ase yaning de habadi moina tawriba demand do university system do pam draga ikoi gi akhan ba college ama khakta da smaina thanam ba se khoi yaning de habadi nupi ngakta tamba college ne masigi institute da nupi ngakta tambani na nupi di khara su ki gan khangal ko aduna masi makta da su panic oi ba me am yaw na college na ma lakna de aduna suma thodok se matung da thokan janing de haijaning ngan neksi
Mahiroi tamba school sing da bom thamam ba bisi ama boiro yamna asoi bani hane khanje aduna masi matung manaw su tobidana ba amasung amuhana tobidana ba suning hingjari.
Today, I addressed the bomb threat outside in our college, that is in GP Women College. As a student, as a woman, this act is unacceptable. We refuse to live in fear. Our college must be in safe place for learning, and we will not tolerate this kind of threat against it. Thank you.